Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer data into Apache Hive from HDFS, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin transferring data into Apache Hive from HDFS, first, ensure that you have Apache Hive installed and properly configured. Next, launch the Hive shell by using the command line interface. Type Hive and hit enter to access the Hive prompt. Before transferring data, create a Hive table that matches the structure of the data you want to import. Use the Create Table statement for this. For example, to create a table for employee information, enter Create Table Employees, IDINT, name string, department string, row format delimited fields terminated by comma and next, verify that your table has been created successfully. Check the table schema by typing Describe Employees. Once the table is confirmed, the next step is to load the data from HDFS into Hive. For this, use the Load Data in Path command. Specify the path of the file stored in HDFS that you want to transfer. For instance, if your file is located at /user/hadoop/employees.csv, you would enter load data in path /user/hadoop/employees.csv into table employees. After executing this command, Hive will import the data from the specified HDFS path into your newly created table. To confirm that the data transfer was successful, run a simple query on the Hive table. Type select asterisk from employees, and hit enter. Review the output to ensure all data has been accurately loaded. If you see the expected results, the data transfer process into Apache Hive from HDFS is complete. In case of any errors, check the HDFS file path and table schema for any discrepancies. Following these steps will help you efficiently transfer data into Apache Hive from HDFS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.